Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting the service reminder on your John Deere mower is a simple task that you can do at home. This light usually turns on after 25 or 50 hours of use. It reminds you to change the oil or check the filters. It is important to perform the actual service first. First, sit on the seat to engage the safety switch. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn the key to the run position but do not start the engine. Look at your dashboard display where the hour meter is located. Find the small button next to the screen. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. The service icon should start to blink on the screen. Release the button and then press it again quickly. The reminder should now disappear or reset to the next interval. On some newer models with a touchscreen, the process is slightly different. You must navigate to the main menu. Select the machine information icon. Look for the maintenance tab in the list. Find the specific service item that is showing the alert. Tap on that item and select the reset option. Confirm your choice to clear the message. If your model does not have a button or a screen, you may need to leave the key in the run position for 2 hours. This allows the timer to cycle through. Always check your specific operator manual for any variations. Keeping your maintenance records updated ensures your tractor runs smoothly for many years. You have now successfully cleared the notification and are ready to get back to work on your lawn.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.